So we have the M-tac cross body bag review and my thoughts. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. So inside we have wallet, keys, inhaler, hand sanitizer, pocket knife, flashlight, gun, of course, wet wipes, Zen, a diaper, hand wipes, cause I do have a 2-year-old, you can't beat to prepared. Now for how I pack it for everyday carry. And this will fit most guns, full size, compact, micro compact, it should fit. And right here you see me sticking the zipper flaps behind the strap that gives you the easiest draw. It comes up every time.
Yeah.
One thing is this little back strap I had to tie back with a hair tie. It's about 6 inches long, but I'm a skinny guy and it just hangs down too much. Even with the strap all the way tightened, I tied that back. I've had no issues. Now this is full with everything that I carry every day. We're gonna run through some drawing exercises. I'm going to show you how having the straps from the zipper tucked behind the pull tab helps out. And you do not want to pull down, you want to pull straight out. And it does rub on your neck a little bit. It's not really irritating unless you have a heavy firearm in the bag. You can loosen it quite a bit, so if you're a bigger person, you can still wear this all day long. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.